my music worry me today. Allez. I don't forget to dance today. Today we go talk about UAE. I go first greet Suna. Good afternoon for me for here already evening. I know my people for Cameroon still 1 o'clock going to 2. Each time I come online, also I get small thing for talk. Today, my one brother when a francophone request me this video. I even try to explain little about UAE. So I say okay, when I will be free, I can talk little. I don't know much about UAE, but my being in UAE for 2 years or 9 months, I will try small. So some of my videos today, it go there for French too small because that's some francophone brother try to talk small about UAE. You know, our coming to UAE, many things that they were our agents, they know they inform us. So we need to prepare. Things the way they need to prepare, we need to prepare before we come like African, before we come for Dubai, for UAE. First, we hear about Dubai. Many people know about Dubai, but it's all about UAE, like as we get Cameroon. And then we get UAE, we capital na Abu Dhabi, where they like as we get Yaoundé. They'll get economic capital when Dubai, that's we get Douala. But agents, they need mostly tell us, like me example, I get lucky because now my in-law be made my document for coming to Dubai. He be give me all the details. But some people they need to get lucky, like agent for explain them the things where they come meet up for Dubai where you come immediately. Because when your agent explain to you things the way you go face and when you come to Dubai, at least you go already be prepared morally. But most of the agents then they always tell us like when you go Dubai, you come Dubai as they call it. They didn't even tell you what Ajman or Abu Dhabi or the Dubai itself or Sharjah. They don't tell you when you come Dubai, you go get work, money day. No. They need to prepare us for tell us the situation before you want to come home first. Wait your parents they get for no or family get for no. They need to send weak person for Dubai or UAE. You must be strong physically. You must be able for follow all the rules and regulations. Because UAE, you know, they're like America, where you do work for hours. You sign documents for hours. Or you work for hours, you go, you come back. No. Dubai, you are signing a contract for 2 years. And when you sign a contract, some other place the day where they tell you say na 9 hours. So one the day where they tell you say na 12 hours. So you sign a contract. Hi, Moni. Oh, my sister, how are you? Hope you're enjoying Kenya now. Hope you're enjoying Kenya. So we'll talk about Dubai today, UAE. What we get to do and how we get to prepare our minds before coming to UAE. Moi, je vais essayer de parler un peu en français parce que c'est un francophone qui m'a demandé de faire cette vidéo. Moi, quand j'étais au Cameroun, j'avais la chance de trouver un fondateur, Monsieur François Mbékou, qui est le fondateur de collège polyvalent de Bekou, Kokombe, et il a aussi l'école primaire, maternelle Manja, qui est en Boko. J'ai dit merci à ce monsieur et sa femme, madame la fondatrice. Ce monsieur, ils m'ont préparé, ils m'ont bien préparé. Parce que tout ce que monsieur le fondateur m'a appris quand j'étais enseignante, parce que j'ai enseigné chez lui peut-être 6 ans. Dans les 6 ans, tout ce que ce monsieur m'a préparé comme maîtresse, j'ai subi ça dans ma société aujourd'hui. Donc, je suis fière de dire que merci, monsieur le fondateur, de tout ce que vous m'avez fait. Avant, je croyais que c'était trop de travail. Mais aujourd'hui, je vois, j'ai reçu par rapport à la préparation de ce monsieur. Merci, monsieur Mbekou François. So, I will come again for Pidgin Talk. Say, when you come to Dubai, would you just send people for Dubai like that? They need to send a jebo for Dubai. Dubai na for a jekbakoro. If you are picking, the sleep na that people the sleep, wake up anytime. No smart, no send it for Dubai. And we get for be prepared in the sense before one commode for our countries come for Dubai, for UAE. People when they say chop no day Dubai, we get all food for Dubai. Now just say our African food, and most of them they know they. We get everything for Dubai. But wait, agents they need to tell we now say when you come, you know, go get a room like the one there for home. When you come, you go for adventure. Things they not be like as you day back home. When me say agent get for make women, you know, say as you come Dubai, you go stay for some place where they call and say bed space. In French, they call it the dortoir. Where we get beds then because you know if you fit for stay, rent a room. A room is like 300,000, 350,000, 400,000. So which way our African brothers they do, they take a room where it big, they put beds up and down. You where you take down bed is 100,000 francs for Cameroon money. You where you take up bed is like me say 70,000, 85,000 for Cameroon money. So when you come then you start to find work. When you start finding work, you get work. Company call you. Company get for will make your document. When you get good company, they will make your document. But normally that's what the rules for Dubai talk. When you go get to bad company, they will fully say they will make a document and make you be sure. Say if you not get work inside that 3 months, you get for go visa change. So when you commode Cameroon can UAE, you get for make sure say you get your money for best space. You get your money for visa change. If should in case you don't get work for 3 months because you come with tourist visa. Voilà ce que je voulais un peu vous dire parce que beaucoup les gens ne sont pas informés. On dit que vous venez à Dubaï. À Dubaï, tu viens 2 minutes, vous avez le travail. Non, c'est pas comme ça. C'est pas 2 minutes. Le travail à Dubaï, c'est de la chance. Vous pouvez venir à Dubaï le même jour, vous avez le travail. Et le lendemain, vous n'avez pas le travail. Préparez-vous. Si vos enfants sont faibles au Cameroun, c'est que ne pouvez même pas s'en sortir à Dubaï. Je viens maintenant pour mes frères francophones. Moi, j'ai été préparée parce que mon fondateur, M. Mbekou François, m'avait préparé. D'abord, dans mon établissement, il avait dit on doit porter les tenues. Beaucoup de gens ont laissé l'école, ils ont refusé qu'ils ne pouvaient pas porter les tenues. J'ai porté ce tenue. Aujourd'hui, à Dubaï, on portait les tenues dans ma société. Vous ne pouvez pas aller au travail sans porter la tenue. Et deuxième point, il m'avait fait comprendre que votre salle de classe, madame Lydia, vous allez laver. Vous allez laisser propre. Vous allez balayer, vous allez nettoyer. Aujourd'hui, lorsque je travaille dans ma société, lorsque je travaille, c'est moi qui fais tout. Je mets trop propre, mais je suis maître nageur. Donc je dis bravo à M. Mbekou François et sa femme, madame Félicité, parce que grâce à eux, je sais ce que je suis aujourd'hui. Donc, préparez vos enfants avant de venir à Dubaï. Les gens qui disent à Dubaï, will chop too much rice. It's a lie. Me, I chop me kere, planty for Dubai. We get granuts for Dubai. We get everything, cassava, anything. I need to talk this one for African shop, for normal shop. We get cassava, we get plantain, we get beans. We miss anything where you need to fit get for Dubai. So for those where they become Dubai, after you don't prepare, you know, so you be fit for stay for Dubai, for UAE, no need for come clothes because we get too much clothes for Dubai. Prepare your bag with food. If they give you 4 kg, 46, something like that, prepare food, bring your food because you go for adventure. So that when you reach, you don't go too stress for food, especially feeding. These are the things we need to prepare. Now, what I say today, we get part 1 and part 2. Part 3, surely. So today, I therefore talk only about the coming of UAE. And then next time, we will talk when we don't be for Dubai, where you get for do. So those where they still prepare for come for UAE, and where they already set for come for UAE. No say you need for next you to come for UAE, you need to stay in a big room like you there for Douala, you there for for Boya, you there for Kumba, you there for Banga Bakundu. No. Thanks, my friend, for too much life. Olivier, thanks so much. So no say when you come for UAE, you come for big room where they don't rent them, you get different beds. Osman, how are you? Miss you, my dear colleague. How are you? Hope you're doing fine. So, no say, you come for small bed space. We would call it like dormitory, as we live for dormitory. Then when you don't get work, before, you feel live as sudden also, na company accommodation where they stay. So those things, and you come for UAE, for Dubai especially, alcohol no be allowed. So when you dey home where you know say you over drink, control the way of drinking when you come for UAE, especially when you never get work. So my dear sisters, in my videos I like for cut time short so that person when no get data, because I know for we for Cameroon they mostly use data. Person when no get data go be able for listing at least half of my videos. That's why I need to always take them long. I beg. Today we go for coming to UAE part 1. Anytime I go there free, we go come again for coming to UAE part 2. So, pour mes frères qui se préparent pour venir à Dubaï, à UAE, savez ce que vous devez faire. Ce que les agents ne nous disent pas, on doit se préparer qu'en venant quitter de nos pays, venus à Dubaï, à UAE, on doit d'abord habiter dans un petit coin qui est comme le dortoir. Les lits sont en haut et en bas. Et dans nos, quand on se prépare comme ça, il faut avoir la force de travailler. Si vous n'avez pas la force de travailler, vous ne pouvez pas en sortir. Yeah, Amba, you are there. If you don't have that energy, if you be that picky, that ajebo, where you sleep, your mommy wake up for morning time. Say, I make coffee for you, I make something for you, eat, you go back and sleep. Don't come to UAE, my dear. UAE is for the strong, not for the weak. That's why people go come for Dubai, for UAE. They be one day, they be one more, they say, Dubai is too hard. They suffer people a lot. I cannot cope. They might, no. It's because you don't have the energy to resist. You don't have the energy to work. You, in your home, back home, you were sleeping, your mother was cooking for you. Your father was feeding you. But if you come to Dubai, make sure you have the energy to work. Most girls, as a talk, say most girls they can't turn differently because they don't get energy for work. You must be strong. Dubai is not for the weak. So, j'ai répondu à mes frères francophones qui m'ont demandé de faire cette vidéo, qui m'ont dit que j'essaie d'expliquer comment ça se passe à Dubaï. C'est comme ça qu'on vit à Dubaï. Donc, avant de venir à Dubaï, préparez-vous. Voilà pourquoi j'ai essayé de mettre cette chanson en français. Somande we fi add for wetin you are talk. Somande we fi subtract for wetin you are talk. Thank you so much, Osman. Linda, you are there. Thanks so much for watching. Kenneth, you are there. Thanks so much for watching. So, I just make this little topic today about UAE because many people don't ask me to do it, but I know they usually get chance. So today, I say I come to talk about. So next time, we will talk about coming to Dubai, part 2. We will try for end here so that those who they don't get data, they go try for watch half of the videos. So my sister and my brothers them, Oh, do you want to come for Dubai? Make we prepare, say, it day so. We need to go and go play life. We can work and for feed our families. Because some people, when they come for UAE, they can't enjoy life. And they forget, say, you come with a tourist visa. Of which maybe some man will tell you, say, this, so, no worry, inside 2 days, 3 days, you'll get work. It's a lie. Me, I feel to say, are they happy or I get lucky because my in-law will make my document. So he told me everything. Before coming, come with your food. Before coming, come with your blanket. Before coming, bring this. Don't bring too much stresses because here, you need to work hard. Préparez-vous moralement, physiquement. Parce que si vous êtes bien préparé, vous allez vous en sortir à Dubaï. Moi, j'ai été préparé, je vais vous dire, par rapport à mon fondateur. Mais au dance more. If you not see me, you not say I don't go. We go find different day. We talk of Dubai part 2. Today na part 1. I no want go. I no dance more. Say when we go do ready, we go find different time. We talk about Dubai part 2. Ah, doctor. You say you can't Dubai? I'm waiting. I just borrow the can Dubai. Now I just borrow the can Dubai. Today I put all French song there because my French person requested me to do the video today. I love all now. Thanks for watching. We will find time to talk about Dubai part 2. So today only for part 1 we end here. At times to everybody where you see me where I start from nothing to something. It's because of Bekali Robert, my junior brother is watching me today. At times also to Sam John Jules Francois. That man tried for me, Now bye-bye, we will find different time talk about coming to Dubai part 2.